Alright guys, I'm doing a review of this Country Prime meat. This is nitrate free, and you can see all these other things, gluten and lactose free as well. Here is we're going to open this up and we'll do a quick taste test. Okay, so here are the ingredients. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. And let's do a quick taste test here. There we go. Wow, it's actually not overly salty. It's quite decent. Check it out, guys. Yeah, if you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.